Eto na, kamustahin naman natin ang ating Eat Girl na si Maui na nasa Divisoria ngayon para sa maagang patakam. Patakam talaga sa ating mga kapatid. Mau, bakit nga ba trending ang dinayo mo dyan na chicken biryani? Ano ba yung biryani na yan, Mau?
Good morning, Mami Chiki, at good morning po sa ating mga kapatid. Malalaman nga natin kung bakit nga ba sila trending at sakto nandito tayo sa FMA Biryani King. Dito po sa Divisoria at para pag-usapan po yan, tawagin po natin ang owners, si Sir Abdullah and si Sir Dawood. Kasama si Miss Maha. Ayan, good morning mga kapatid. Hello, good morning everybody. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning
Miss Maha. Ayan, ako mga kapatid, special po ang ating episode for today kasi right now we are gonna be talking about biryani. Diba? Ito ay type of food, pero ano nga ba, what is biryani? For those who would like to know more about it, who would like to answer, what is biryani?
Biryani is this many kind for Arab food, but this biryani have many kind for many country. But biryani can be different anywhere in any world. This biryani can we have on receiving. We have this 100% Arab hand and authentic Arab food. So biryani and biryani can different anywhere in biryani and world.
Nice.
Yes, too
Okay.
much.
So
we
there's-
have on receiving.
There's different versions of
Yes,
biryani.
yeah, sure.
Okay, sir, when did you start your business and why this kind of business?
I started this business by 2022, February 2022. This we started this our business big story, but I want to say we hard work for we make this name, building this name, and also my business start by 500 peso.
Wow!
Yes, 500
Wow.
peso. Yeah, my capital 500 peso.
Capital at 500 pesos.
Oo,
Wow!
yes.
Mga kapatid, yung may mga 500 pesos dyan, alam nyo na pwede rin talaga kayong mag-business. How did you come up? I mean, how did you do the 500 pesos for
500 peso. We started by 5 taps. First, 1 kilo chicken, 1 kilo rice.
this? Wow!
Yeah.
You sold it?
Yeah, and I sold. First I start by in my home. After this, I start by la mesa, by table in the road.
Wow!
Oh,
On the
yeah,
road,
In the road.
by
But
tables.
you know, hard work for you can build your name and you make your name.
That's right.
So no one rest, one sleep, one any enjoy only
Yes.
business. Only I interested for. I build my name until I grow up now. Alhamdulillah, I'm swear.
Nice.
Thank my God, I have biryani king.
Yay!
All Filipino know
Very
biryani
nice.
king.
Very
Yes.
nice, very nice. Very inspiring po mga kapatid. Hard work nga naman talaga. Okay, my next question, sir. Why do you think this is a trending or popular dish? Why popular, trending?
Because I love
Because we love what we do. What we love what we do. Yeah, we have one recipe and spices for biryani king.
Are for foods.
Have
I like
recipe.
Arab foods.
Have secreto. Sorry.
It's okay. Let's ask Miss Maha. Let's ask Miss Maha. Miss Maha, please save us. Ano, tingin niyo bakit po patok itong at popular itong biryani?
Kaya naging patok yung chicken biryani namin dahil very affordable ito. Pure basmati rice, may kasama na siyang chicken na mabibili mo lang siya ng 100. Authentic, yes.
Wow, nagsisimula sa magkano po ang inyong biryani?
100 po, 100.
100,
Yes.
wow. Okay, Miss Maha, I want to see the biryani rice. Can we try to put here? Eto na, mga kapatid, bababa ko muna to kasi mapakita natin, ang laki ng kaldero nyo.
Ubus
Ilan
po
ang
yan.
nasa-serve nito?
5 a day.
5 na ganito. Pero sa isang ganito, ilang plato?
Depende po.
Ayun. Wow. Wow, iba yung grain, no, ng biryani. Iba yung klase ng
Pure basmati rice.
basmati rice. Masarap. Okay, what do I do now?
You can
Ang bango.
you can try just have more than 27 kind of ingredients.
Oh,
Spices.
that many.
27 ingredients.
47. 27.
Yes.
Wow.
All the restaurant we put like 3 or 4 kind of ingredients.
But this one-
biryani king,
27, that's why mabango. That's why it smells very good.
Yes.
What do I do now?
Put the,
Iuupo ko lang siya sa ibabaw. Ito na.
Lagyan mo ng garnish para kompleto na ang ano.
Saan nilalagay? Paikot lang. Wow! Wait, napakabango. Miss Maha, ganun pala, no? I think mga kapatid, first time ko na maka-amoy and maka-try. Matatry ko itong biryani food. I'm so excited. Okay. So ito yung, magkano halaga ulit?
350.
Wow.
Grilled chicken with biryani rice.
Panalo kasi magkano po, ilan po ang nasa-serve nito?
Good for 2 to 3 person.
Wow. Okay, I am so excited. Later, we will try. This will be my first time trying. I'm so excited, mga kapatid. Alam niyo na, dyan lang po kayo. Okay, Alex, mamaya ito try po natin. It will be Tiki Man time. Back to the studio muna.
Biryani King, talaga naman. Nakakaingit yan. Oo nga, di ba? Ay, naku, maraming salamat, Maui. At share naman dyan. Sige, magpadala ka na lang dito. Mahilig kami sa maanghang. Eto naman kung naghahanap kayo ng kakaibang dish pero sulit at affordable, aba, sagot na ni Maui. Yan! Ika nga eat like a king sa Biryani King. Okay yan na. I like the saying. Maui, ano-ano bang mga makakain dyan?
Mami Chiki, good morning ulit at good morning po ulit sa ating mga kapatid. Nandito pa rin tayo sa FMA Biryani King. Dito po sa Divisoria at eto na nga, we are gonna eat like kings and queens kasi ang dami na naman pong nakakain sa harap natin at this time special po because this is also called Egyptian food at kasama pa rin natin si Sir Abdullah at si Sir Dawood and si Miss Maha. Ayan, we are back. This time we will try the food. Yes, it's good? Okay, can we talk about the dishes that are here? Sir Abdullah, where do you want to start?
I like to start from mashi.
Okay, what is this one?
This mashi, this one cabbage with rice.
Cabbage with
but,
rice.
by Egyptian way cooking.
Egyptian way.
This masarap, delicious.
So it's all vegetables only?
Vegetable and rice and many kind for vegetable also.
Okay.
Secret.
Secret.
You can,
but very healthy.
Yeah, too much healthy. You can start by mashi.
Oh, okay. You want me to try now? O try ko
you
na
try.
now. Okay, ito, repolyo po. Very tasty.
Oh, the taste.
I love it. Many flavors.
Yes.
Good.
This is name is mahshi. My Egyptian name mahshi.
Wow, how much is that?
This by 250.
Okay.
Good for 2 person also.
I know.
Yes.
So, marami mga kapatid, napakalaki. Ito po, what is
This dorma. This beef with potato and also secreto sauce.
Okay.
Secret sauce
Where
for-
do I put that?
This you can
Eat
eat it
alone.
with rice
With rice or
and with bread.
with bread? Okay, we can
Yeah.
try it with bread.
You can try the sauce.
Okay. And then should I get the bread?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get small. Kasi marami pa tayong try mga kapatid. Okay, and then how do I?
No,
I just
okay.
he will teach me how the Egyptian.
Like this.
Oh,
Okay.
like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I eat it.
Yeah. This was bread.
Oh, wow.
Tasty too much.
Wow.
Yeah.
The taste is like I don't know how to describe it, but it's very rich.
Yeah.
It's salty and also spices. There's spices there.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is a secret sauce.
Perfect
This
pair
our
po.
secret sauce.
With the bread.
Yeah.
Okay.
And with white rice also.
Oh, so good, so good.
Delicious,
Okay.
yeah.
Ito siya.
And also
Malasa. Kaya magandang iterno talaga because it's very rich in flavor.
with bread.
Good balance.
Yes.
Okay, next. Ano po?
We can try liver kebda by Arab
liver.
language. Kebda.
Okay. Actually, mga kapatid, I would like to ask them to eat but they're currently doing Ramadan. Kaya po hindi sila nakakasabay sa atin. Kasi hanggang kailan po ang Ramadan nyo, Miss Maha?
April
How
2,
the-
end of finish Ramadan.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
April
So
2, yeah.
currently, ako po munang kakain para sa kanila.
But I want to tell you something also.
Yes.
We not make only for Muslim. Yeah, this is the food not only for Muslim.
Okay.
Also not only for Ramadan. This This our menu.
Yes.
Whole the year.
All throughout the year.
Yes, throughout
Perfect.
the year. Not
Okay,
only Ramadan.
this one I will try.
This liver.
Liver.
Yeah.
Okay, hindi ako kumakain ng liver masyado, pero sige. Titikman natin mga kapatid para sa inyo, sa mga mahilig sa liver dyan.
This partner with bread, also
Oh.
and rice.
Okay, so you want me to go like this?
Yeah,
You like this?
yeah, and also sandwich.
Okay, I will try.
Yeah.
Alright.
You can,
Ito po,
can
atay,
sandwich.
liver. In fairness, masarap. I don't eat liver, but this one's good.
Yeah, this have also secret. All
Everything
the
is
food have
secret.
Yeah. me
Okay,
too.
I think
I'm
we
not-
should try last one, the biryani, the
Yeah.
chicken biryani. That's your
But I told,
specialty.
I told you the special for the Arab. You can try the mumbar.
What's that?
This we can make three kind for liver.
Oh.
By sandwich, by rice,
Ano
by
po
bread.
ito?
This mumbar.
Ano po yun?
Mumbar rice.
Mumbar rice.
Mumbar rice.
May,
This by your hand.
by hand.
Yeah.
Mumbar rice. Ano po yung nasa labas?
Mini. Rice. Rice.
Parang longganisa.
No, walang langganisa. This mumbar.
Okay. We will
Let's say
try.
the name, the true name. Mumbar.
Okay.
Not langganisa.
Okay. Sir, while I try this,
Yeah.
can you please invite our kapatids that want to come here and eat at FMA Biryani King?
I invite and also I advise, if you not try the Arab food, you must be coming in Biryani King. Never you not forget now what you eat in here. Delicious, too much. And also cheap price. The rich him can eat in, and also the poor him can eat in this for all the people. Muslim and Christian, rich and poor. You can try. Start by 350 and 115 and 145. Not coming more than 500 peso in here.
Wow, amazing. Imagine, you have this dish outside at 750 pesos.
This one outside by 165, sometime 150. In here only by 115.
Oh, mas mura. In short, mga
Chicken,
kapatid, mas
yeah,
mura,
chicken
mas
breast.
affordable. And you are open 24/7.
Yes.
Wow, panalo. Alam niyo lang kapatid, kayo ay biglang nag-crave ng ganitong klaseng pagkain. Dito na kayo sa FMA Biryani King. Thank you so much, Sir Dawood, Sir Abdullah, and
Thank
Miss
you.
Maha. Thank
But
you
you
for
not try
having
this
us.
one.
I did. I tried
You
it
try?
while you
I
were
want to try.
talking. Talagang sigurista si Sir Abdullah. Mamaya, we will finish this food, mga kapatid. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa episode natin today. Very, very special. Ang dami kong natikman na bago at sana matry nyo rin. And that is it for this morning's On The Go. Back to the studio muna.
Thank you so much, Maui. Enjoy na enjoy at ang ganda ng mga price points dyan.
Mga kapatid, Maui David po. Simula ng inyong araw na may alam at may pakialam sa mga may init at umaaksyong balita sa bansa. Para maging una sa balitaan, mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa social media pages ng News 5.